fine. Oh, whichever way you want to go. Okay, go that way. I'm coming. It's straight ahead, either trail. If you go straight out, you'll see the pond, I promise. It's right over there. Speedy, you're so fast. That sign says, open space, adopted by Aaron Lentz, City of Louisville. Wonder if the turtles will be out tonight. Yeah, there's sometimes turtles pop their little heads out. The pond's pretty full today.
I won't get splinter.
You won't get a splinter? Good. Annabelle, that was some great riding on your scoot bike. Practicing, right?
I didn't take my backpack out and take my baby bear. He's so
He's thirsty?
yeah.
What are you going to feed him?
He wants a baby bottle.
I forgot one. Did you bring one?
No. See, you have one, and I don't. I don't have one on my bike.
Yeah, you don't have a bottle holder.
No.
What will he be able to drink then? Is that your new bear from Kathy and Susan?
Yeah.
Can I see him? What are you going to name him? Or is it... What are you going to name him?
The name.
You don't know yet?
No.
Is it a girl or a boy?
The name him 2.
You're going to name him 2? His name is 2? And you're 3.